Now, the next TV backlight that we have here is the L01 Pro TV Backlight. So this is for 55 to 65 inch TVs. So this one, similar to the Deck Talk, it uses actually the same app and the colors look great. It basically is, for me, like pretty identical to the Deck Talk TV backlight. And so you'd have the actual LED strip where you have to actually bend it to make the corner. Towards the bottom, you don't see as much, but that's actually my fault because I decided to actually point the LED strip towards the ground. So just as a heads up, if you're actually assembling these LED strips, make sure you point it against the wall actually. But this is an older model TV, so I don't have like such a thin back. You can see it's actually flush against the wall like my main bedroom TV. But the camera, it is different from the Deck Talks. This one actually sits on top. Now it's pretty securely as well. Now with this TV backlight, you can't calibrate it again. And with the calibration, you do have to adjust the camera angle so that it actually matches the colors correctly. But it's still able to match the colors correctly. Sometimes it just gets it off because, for example, let's say that I turn on my light, and what'll sometimes actually happen is that the light will actually reflect off my TV stand, and in the camera, it might look yellow. And so it'll actually show yellow like on the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. So calibration for me, what I've learned with all these TV backlights, it's a must. You really do have to have it. And with it, I'd still say it looks great. I wouldn't have any other complaints aside from just needing the app to actually calibrate the camera would be a huge plus. Now, I do know that there's an L02 Pro TV backlight, so maybe with the upgraded version, they have allowed you to now actually calibrate your camera. But even so, I'll probably be exploring that in another video. Let's go ahead and move on to the next TV backlight.